People fully vaccinated with the Pfizer-BioNTech vaccine are likely to have more than 5 times lower levels of neutralizing antibodies against this Delta variant, or the variant first identified in India, compared to the original strain. That is what the latest research published in the Lancet journal has said. So what is the significance of this for us here in India? Well, Gargi Rawat joins us with more on that. So Gargi, what are we supposed to take away from this study? Specifically about the ideal gap between vaccine doses, because the study supports the plans in the UK to reduce the gap between vaccines to 8 weeks.
That's right, Sarah. It says to reduce the gaps between the vaccine doses so as to build more immunity against the Delta variant. So that is what this latest study that has been published in the Lancet has found, is that they've studied all the variants and the efficacy of the vaccine, Pfizer-BioNTech, against these variants, which is namely Alpha, that's the one that was found first in the UK, Delta, the one that was found in India, and Beta, that was found in South Africa. And they have found that the neutralizing antibodies effectiveness goes down in the face of these variants. That means that the ability to block the virus goes down with the variants, and that is very, very significant, because even though the Delta variant is now the dominant variant in the UK, it is the variant that we have here in India, and it's the same variant that we're dealing with over here. So significantly, they have said, therefore, with 1 dose of the COVID vaccine, that is the Pfizer-BioNTech vaccine, that the immunity that it provides has gone down in the face of this variant, and therefore you have to reduce the gap between the 2 doses, so to build up more immunity and block this. So this is something here in India that we have to think about, because at this point we have in fact increased the duration between doses of the Covishield vaccine. While this is not talking about the AstraZeneca or Covishield vaccine, the same sort of theory would come into play. One imagines if that in the face of this new Delta variant, if the Pfizer-BioNTech vaccine, which provides over 90% efficacy, if that is providing you a reduced protection, then what about AstraZeneca that provides around 70% efficacy against the earlier COVID variant for which it was created? But in the face of these new, more aggressive variants, and already, Sarah, you read out about how Public Health England has said that the Delta variant is more infectious, and it even perhaps causes even a worse illness, that is, it's leading to more hospitalization. So they did say that more information is needed. So we have to take all this new information, these studies coming into account, as we are also dealing with COVID here, and we are dealing with the Delta variant.